Hey guys, back with another video, and today, as you can tell from the title, I'm going to be doing another episode of Man U Rebuild. I'm playing Chelsea. Let's go. This is a big... Oh wow, they have Javi Martinez at number 3. No. I'm not experimenting with... Wait, yeah, actually, you know what, I'll take a risk. Take a risk. No, they're not wearing blue. Bang, bang, bang. Oh wow, my team is actually like an full-on experiment squad, so if we win this, oh, I feel kind of sick. I just ate like a huge full bowl that was like up to the rim of Cheetos. Cheetos? No, I hate Cheetos. Weetos, that was the one. I know it was something I know it was Eatos. And now, stomach hurt. What? Come on, team. Neymar, cut back. Neymar, spread the play. Great ball. Rashford's in. Oh. I mean, Neymar kind of looks like he wants to go up for that. Yeah, I don't know what that throw was. Oh, why did I commit with Twenzebe of all people? My right back, bro. Bro. Yes, Fosu. I'm playing Regan Paul and Timothy Fosu-Mensah against Chelsea. Strike that! Oh, what a hit. Almost win that. Well up. No, not actually. I just said that because I felt like it. Yes, Neymar. Oh no, it didn't work. My skill move didn't work. I was gonna rainbow flick them. Oh, I really thought it was gonna go to the other player. I switched to the wrong player. What a save! He actually saved that as well. Oh my gosh, that was incredible. Could have. I probably would have done the same. No way with the save. Neymar goes the other side. Rashford, Mkhitaryan. Win that. Yes, ball. Oh no, why didn't you make a run and why did you play it there? You press triangle to make the 3-ball skill pass. Crunch. Zebe, Mkhitaryan. Cuts in. Plays Rashford. In on goal. No. Last man. Last ditch defending. I thought he was going to go for the back heel there. Well played. Rojo. I was about to call him Royce. Yes. No, why won't it let me do the rainbow flick? Rainbow flicks on this game are actually so hard to do. But then again, they are really hard in real life, so. For 5-star skillers, they should, keyword should, be relatively easy. But that's if you actually know how to do it. I can do it, I just can't really remember what buttons it is. I think it's no sprint with the right analog stick. You go up, down, down, or you go down, up, up. I think it's more up, down, down, or I don't know. I'll try up, down, down, because I've been trying down, up, up, and it hasn't been working. It's because you kind of need space. Maybe if I'm winning 2-1 and like it's an open goal, I might just like try and score a rainbow flick, something like that. Oh, I was trying to play it into Neymar so we had time and space. Oh, they're just making me slide because I think they're going to take that extra touch. So if I do slide, then they'll either make me look silly or are we an absolute genius? Get off. Thank you, I'll be taking that and going past you. Maybe not. Come on, let me take the Neymar. How is Azpilicueta keeping up with Neymar? How did Azpi and Javi Martinez, who has like, I think it's like 56 pace, how was he kept up with Neymar? Half time and it's 0-0. I kind of want to make some subs. Let me move that. Wait, no, let me zoom in one more time. There we go. I'm gonna do. Oh, Pogba looks so good. So does Lukaku and Alaba and Valencia and Great. You know what? Right now I'm gonna bring on Pogba for Schweiny. Might be a dumb decision, but I don't really care. Oh, come on team, Mkhitaryan, catch up with Hazard. I mean, if when Neymar's sprinting at full speed, if Javi Martinez can catch up to him, then I mean, I'm pretty sure Mkhitaryan would be able to catch up to Hazard. Oh my gosh, what was that pass? One Quadrado, go away. One Quadrado, go away. I've just been mugged off. Strength me off the ball, get out the way. Oh, that was so tasty. No, that would have been such a good play. No, why was it through ball? I did try to through ball. Yes! It's down, up, up! Oh no, if he didn't slide tackle me there and I scored, that could have been the best goal I've ever scored on FIFA. And I have scored some bangers if I don't change. Ref, book him. Just ran out of storage for a second, but we should be able to finish this video, I'm not sure. Oh, great skills there by Ashley Young. By the youngster. He's not very old because he's young. Oh no. Punish me for the joke. Come on then, you can't because I have a really important centre back, mate. Get out. Oh, the techers are unbelievable. What a ball. Oh, so close. Marcos Rojo. Yes, Pog. Get off me. He just tackled it to Rooney, who almost got it in behind to Neymar. So close. No. Subs. I need to make subs. Neymar is out. Don't question me. Oh, do I? Okay, there we go. Come on, man, you can do this. Rojo, why aren't you covering? Great challenge. No, Rojo, what are you doing? Rojo, what are you doing? Rojo, 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 Rojo! Oh, Marcus Rojo, just get in the bin. Ref! Oh my, are you having a laugh? Oh my gosh. I just got hacked by them and then I thought he looks like Kosh. Twenzebe is literally Kosh. He even has a hairline and the hair. Why didn't it make the subs? Okay, it has now. Just remember Lukaku. Oh, so annoying. Literally the subs are about to be made and then Rojo goes and makes that mistake. What is that touch? Why can't Wayne Rooney control a football? How have you blown for full time there? How have you blown for full time there? Okay, sure thing. I hate this game sometimes. How after kickoff and then